this thing doesn't work. That's a problem. Well, that's just about the stupidest fucking design I've ever seen, huh? Well, when we're testing to power and ground, we get 11.8 volts. Well, it appears as though our bulb is bad, which is a good sign and a bad sign. Kind of sucks that I have to replace it, but at the same time it's better that the wiring on the bike isn't fucked up, so off to AutoZone I go. What's up, fuckers?